First day of my vlog. After my dumpling. This is all my squishies. I'm good inside the squishies. Alright. Oh, I think what I just broke. I already broke this. Yeah, look. Get rid of it now. I cannot show my face because they already know my face. Okay, wait. Let's do this. Wait. Oh no. Oh my god. Look at my oh my. This is my first day of vlog. Oh my god. What happened to this? Oh, but I swear. Oh my god. What happened? My god. Oh, shush. Shush. Wait. You can see it. I need to fix this because it almost broke again. Oh my god. Almost broken, so let me fix this. I need some scotch tape. I have a practice tomorrow. Okay. That's my dad's. Oh yeah, it's one. Thank God. Fudge. The fudge. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.